Hello, class. I wanted to show you how to access your Vitalsource on this. And first thing you do is you log into Lalima. This is my homepage. It might look different for you because I'm an instructor, but you pick on the course that you're looking at, and if you see over here, I have this. There's this tab for Vitalsource. So you click on that. You click on that on the Vitalsource, and then this will pop up, and you click on this launch courseware, and this works for any class. I know I'm doing this for 161, but it'll work for other classes too. So click on the launch courseware, and it'll take you over here. Again, this may look a little different for you because I'm an instructor, but then you click on this open my lab and mastering, and you're gonna have different prompts to set up your course and sign in. I already have a login for Pearson, so it just brings me right to the course. But as you go through this, it's going to ask you to go and fill out stuff. So go ahead and do that as needed. And I don't know what that looks like because, like I said, I'm not a student. So, but hopefully this shows you. That's the big thing. And the hardest thing students have actually finding this and clicking on it. So if you can find this tab and click on it and then follow through the prompts, it'll get you to where you need to go. Okay? Hopefully this helps. And let me know if you have any questions.